Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Santiago. In the previous video we were checking out a software called Creatify. Creatify is a software aimed at creating product videos, using product images. This is part number 3 of the Creatify tutorials. This is a really deep tool that has a lot of tools that you can use. So we're gonna be making a bunch of videos regarding this software. If you haven't checked out the previous 2 videos, I really invite you to do so. You can go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed with what we were doing with the software in the previous videos. In this video, we're gonna be checking out another tool that the software has to offer. This is an AI script generator for advertising your products. We're using one of the paid plans. We have some credits for us to use. You could also use the free version, but the paid version has much more depth that you can play around with. If you want to use some of the paid plans, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. So without further ado, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen better. See you guys in the end. So if you write right here on Google AI Scriptwriter Creatify, you can go to this link. Right here, we're taken to an option that says that we need to write a prompt for our script to be generated. And we can pick from different script styles. We can pick from storytelling, promotional, exploration, or motivational. First of all, we need to know what our product is going to be. Let's say that we want to write a script for a bicycle chain cleaner. Let's make it promotional, and then we can click on generate and wait for the software to create a script. This is the first script that the software creates. Let's check it out real quick. Ever notice how a sluggish chain can hold back your entire ride? Meet the ultimate bicycle chain cleaner designed to restore peak performance. Right here we have an option where we could upload our voice for the avatar to imitate. If we click on this option right here, we can also pick right here from this option to choose from the library of voices that the software has. Right here is in Sophie.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai.
Below the name is a short description, female, adult, American English accent. And you can search the library regarding the language that you want to be used on the video, the accent that you want to be used in the video as well, and if you want a female or a male speaker. Let's check out one of the male ones.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai.
I like that one, so I'm gonna use this voice. And then you can choose the avatar that you want to be saying the script. We chose a guy, so let's pick out this one. Since this is a bicycle product, I think the outdoor one would meet better the product. Right here, we can further edit how the video is going to be looking like. We have the captions right here on the top. We have the guy saying the things that we want to say on the script. We could also change the avatar on this option on the left if we want to change it once again. We could change the opacity of the video. We can change the position. We could add a mask, for example, if we want the video to be a bit more close up. We could remove the background altogether. We could change the aspect ratio if we want it to be portrait mode, landscape mode, or just a square video. We could set different animations for us to make the video more dynamic. We could also add music to our video. We just drag and drop it to the music part. We can adjust the volume, the fading and fade out of the music. And once everything is how we wanted it to be, we can click on render and wait for the software to create our first video using an avatar with the AI script writer tool. So let's see what the software created.
Ever notice how a sluggish chain can hold back your entire ride? Meet the ultimate bicycle chain cleaner designed to restore peak performance with minimal mess and effort. Engineered brushes scrub deep between links, while the ergonomic design eliminates.
As you see, the lip sync is excellent. It matches very well what the script is saying. The music is really well placed. And all in all, the avatar looks very natural in the project that we're creating. We could do the same thing once again, but we could add a hook to our script. Let's say that the product is going to be the same, a script for a bicycle chain cleaner with a witty hook. Let's click on generate that one. This is the one that the software created. It added a bit more width to it. Ever tried cleaning a bicycle chain with a toothbrush? I did once and learned bicycles have a sneaky way of biting back. Let's pick a different avatar this time. Let's pick Brianna. Let's say that we want to add a split right here. So we can add an image for our bicycle cleaner. If we go to assets right here, we can import the image. This is the bicycle cleaner. we can drag the image to our video and it's going to be added on top of the video. Once again, we can change the music, add call to actions for people to buy our product. This one I'm going to leave without music so we can render and see how it looks. So let's see what the software created with this new video.
Ever tried cleaning a bicycle chain with a toothbrush? I did once, and learned bikes have a sneaky way of biting back. My childhood racing dreams screeched to a halt each time grime piled up. That changed the day I discovered a proper chain cleaner. Suddenly, my wheels spun freely, and every ride felt smoother, faster, almost effortless.
As you see, once again, the audio and the lip sync is very natural. It added the product that we want to sell in a part of our video so consumers know which product we are selling. We could try another hook, let's say an urgent hook. And right here on this option, you can click on try a sample and the software is gonna change the script a bit for it to match which one we want to use better. For this final example, let's use this guy right here, Charles, and let's use this voice.
For choosing Creatify AI.
So this is the video that the software is cooking up. As this is the last example, I'm gonna show you another thing that you can add in the editor. These are emotions. You can add emotions to emphasize parts of the video that you want to emphasize. Since the script says right here, let us help you plan it, we could add a happy emotion using another avatar. If we click, for example, on Thomas, we could add this happy expression and it would be added to our video like this that you're seeing on the screen right now. You can change how long you want it to be. So it won't start at the beginning, but it will start when it says, let us help you plan it. So it will only be when this part of the script appears. Let's say that we want to add another emotion at the end where it says, book with us and let's make this other avatar. And let's choose this one to add to the scene. So let's see what this final video was created with the software.
Dreaming of your next vacation? Let us help you plan it. Whether you want a relaxing beach getaway or an adventurous trip, we create personalized itineraries just for you. Book with us and let's make those travel dreams a reality.
Once again, the avatar is really natural. Adding emotions to the video adds a bit more value to the product video. So it's a bit more engaging. And as you see, it added the hook that we wanted to add, the urgent hook. So all in all, it understood the instructions very well. That is pretty much how you use one of the other tools that Creatify has to offer, the AI Writer script for products. As you see, it's really fast to see, it's really easy to get a handle of. And all in all, it's really easy to create a product video using just a couple of your minutes, and getting a handle of how the editor works is really easy as well. Just as a reminder, we have uploaded a couple of other videos on this software already on the channel. If you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to do so. And to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of the tutorials that we have uploaded. Once again, my name is Santiago. If you want to use one of the paid plans for this software, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. And without further ado, see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.